Many people ask me which cameras are actually good for home security. I would say solar cameras have more advantages when it comes to home security. Many people target homes when the power is off. If they know you have cameras, they will definitely target you when power is off, or they choose to switch off power before they enter your premises. These solar cameras will automatically serve you in the best way because they will always reserve power and always be on even when power is not there. Remember, these cameras can give you security light even when the power is not there. So acquire yourself one of these cameras for your best home security. They have all advanced features that can alert you when someone enters your premises, and also they have microphone where you can offer your two-way communication to the people that are in your home or taking care of your property. Remember, they rotate 360 degrees and they can be connected on your phone.